Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. So it looks like today we're doing puzzle number 138. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and a 4 here. So 9. A 2 here. So 4, 2. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box then, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. Got a 1 and 9 here, so 6. A 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row then, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and an 8 there. So 9 and 8 there. So 2, 8. This 2 makes this our 5 and 2. To finish out this column, then we're missing a 1. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there, so 6, 5. For this box, then it looks like we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4. And a 1 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, and a 7 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 8, and no help here, so 1, 4, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. If we do this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. Got 1 and 8 here. So 3, 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here. So 3, 8. So it looks like the only place our 6 can be in that row is here. If we do this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 4. Got a 2 here, so 3, 4, and the 2 can't be up here, so our 2 has to be here. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 4. And for this column, We've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. And our 5 can't be anywhere except for here. So now if we look at this box, the only place our 8 can be is here. So that would make this our 1 and our 3. 1, 3, 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 3. So this is our 7 and our 4. So then this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 4. That 7 makes this our 1. And then this 4 makes this our 3 and our 4. There we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.